Have you ever tried to say because or because of something in Russian? I believe so. In today's video, I'm gonna share with you 5 different ways on how you can say it. If you're new on this channel, my name is Alina and I'm your Russian teacher. Subscribe to this channel, like this video, and let's move on. Let's start right away. The first option, the first word that you can use, the most common word, that's the word потому что. Потому что is usually the answer to the question почему. Why? Because. The same as in English. Like this, we can have a conversation. Почему ты учишь испанский язык? Потому что я хочу жить в Испании. As you can see, no grammar requires here. You just take потому что and then normal sentence. The second option will be pretty similar to the word потому что. That will be the word так как. 2 words, but sound as one. Так как. The only difference here with the word потому что is that так как you can use separately. So it's not necessary to be answering the question why. Так как we can use separately. You can just start your new sentence, your new idea using the word так как. Like this, in English, it can be equivalent to as. As something is popular, I did this. Like this, we can have a sentence. Так как фильм «Барби» сейчас очень популярен, я решила его посмотреть. Потому что we cannot use separately, so we cannot start the sentence by saying потому что фильм «Барби» сейчас популярен, я посмотрела его. No, here the only option that you can use, that would be the word так как. The next option is the word поскольку. Поскольку is just the same as так как, maybe just a little bit more formal, but it also can work separately and after the question why. Like this, we can have a sentence. Поскольку я не люблю мороженое, я никогда его не покупаю. Okay, the option number 4 will be a little bit different. You will use the word из-за when you need to give some reason why something is happening. For example, из-за плохой погоды мой рейс отменили. So this bad weather was the reason why my flight had been cancelled. You see, here it's a little bit different. It's not like потому что, так как, or поскольку. Here it's more like because of something. And again, you can start your sentence using this word из-за. Here it's important to remember that из-за we usually use in some negative situations or when we have some guilt. For example, you want to make someone guilty and you can say из-за тебя мы опоздали на фильм. You were the reason why we were late, so you are guilty. Try to remember that из-за you won't use for something good, for something positive. It's always something bad. Something happened and because of this, we were late. And here, as you can see, the grammar already is important because after из-за, we always use genitive case. Your adjectives, nouns, numbers, you will use always in the genitive case. Из-за погоды, из-за ошибки, из-за денег, anything here will be in the genitive case. And the last one, let's finish on something positive. If before we had a negative variation, now let's talk about a positive solution, positive way of saying something. It'll be more like thanks to. Thanks to you, thanks to something. We will use the word благодаря. The example that we can use here is благодаря тебе я закончила всю работу раньше. You see, it's not like before из-за тебя. Here it's благодаря тебе. Thanks to you, I finished my work earlier. And here, as I said, it's always something good. And again, the grammar will be different here. If before with из-за we had the genitive case, this time we have dative. Благодаря тебе, благодаря удаче, благодаря знаниям. Here it's always dative. And that's it. Of course, we have more options, more synonyms to the word потому что, such as ведь, ибо, ввиду, вследствие. But I think that 3 synonyms will be enough. And using these words, you'll be able to say anything. And all of them are pretty similar, so there is no need to learn more different variations. I hope it was helpful. Thank you very much for watching. Subscribe to my channel and learn Russian with me.